What do you see on my screen? Setup menu?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So there are two ways, main ways by which you can import data, export data. Okay. And so let's begin with first one, how you can import a data. Okay. So just go to quick find in setup menu and click search for data import. Click on data import wizard. So this is the out of the box available by Salesforce, right? So our main target is to like, or any business requirement comes with like, for example, any new application you want to move from any legacy system, or from example SAP system or any other system to Salesforce, right? So what we can do is like we can build a schema model that you are already creating, right? Now what would be the next step is to move data from the system, other system, to the Salesforce, right? So in that case, this tool helps us, right? It's a data import wizard, and there is one more, that is a data loader, which we'll see after this one. So for this, you need to go down and click on launch wizard. So it will land you to this page, right? And here you can import data by selecting objects, right? So there are two tabs: standard objects, custom objects. So with data import wizard, there are certain limitations that we can import data only for these four standard objects and few custom objects, right? It depends on your edition of your org. So like, for example, for here I can see only four and some custom objects, but there are certain limits for higher environments, or like the limitations would increase, or like the you will have more capacity to include standard or custom objects. So for now I'll go ahead with the student object, right? There are three options: add new records, update existing records, add new and update existing record. So that means first one you can call it as an insert, second is update, okay, and third was as upsert, right? What upsert means is like update and insert, right? So if you provide a data which is already available on your org, or if it is not available, then this tool will create it, right? So for now, let's add few records. Okay, here you will mention, you don't have to mention anything. Okay, I have created one file. No. Okay, let's create one. So always the file should have extension CSV, otherwise it don't accept. So only CSV format is supported. So you need to take care of this one. I'm trying to see what is there in my schema. So I'll go to developer console and I'll query and I'll see what are the field API names, right? Because in Excel file in CSV you should provide always the API names of fields. Open, go to, this is a different org. Right now I want to import data of say student number, roll number, phone, college, which is a relation, I'll click on query, right? So now I have all the API names of those fields. Execute it, right? And I'll include one by one. First I'll include student number. I'm starting it with 100. And
Yashish,
yeah.
and we are only able to see this developer console. So, are you preparing this
uh
file in another tab or something?
just a minute, I'm not sharing that window.